Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about SSC CHSL best books that you have to include in your preparation. Now this video consists of different sections where it involves subjects and also the books which are priorly useful for your preparation. The first section we have English, and the first book is Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. This book has revised and a very prepared concepts of English. The book is divided into 4 parts. Part A consists of the foundation module. Part B has the verbal ability. And part C and D has the grammar part, where you can use the part C and part D to especially enhance your grammar skills and grammar rules. So you can know how to use to frame a sentence, and also it will be useful for the formation of sentences as well. You will come to know of the different grammar rules and also usage of sentences. This book is very comprehensive and conceptual as well. This book covers up all the general English section questions, and also the book covers up concepts like synonyms and antonyms, one-word substitutions, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, prepositions, etc. The second book is Words, Idioms and Phrases by Arihant Experts. Now using this book will let you know to be aware of idioms and phrases. This book especially signifies on using idioms in a correct sentence and a correct sentence format as well. You will know the meaning of idioms and phrases. This book will give you a detailed examples as well as to how idioms have to be used. The book also gives you sort of examples as such so that you will know and understand the meaning of the idiom and also the usage of the phrase. Number 3 is A Mirror of Common Errors by Dr. Ashok Kumar Singh. This book is a foundational book where it helps you to know and identify the errors that you will be able to identify when you are going through the English language section. This book will be helpful for you as a learning tool, as well as it will enhance your grammar skills as well. Number 4 is Common Errors in English by Kiran. This book comprises of various chapters where it covers a whole lot of concepts under English grammar as well as the usage of sentences as well. This book also includes previous question papers and also practice exercises where you can enhance even more better so that you can use those exercises in your preparation as well. In addition to all the concepts which are involved in this book also has different conceptual exercises where it will be helpful to enhance your preparation as well. Exercises which are mentioned in this book will enhance your skills and also it will level up your preparation. The next section is Quantitative Aptitude section. The first book, NCERT Maths from grade 6 to grade 11. Using the curriculum NCERT will help you to get into an exposure of knowing varied kind of techniques and also how to solve the problems or the aptitude questions very easily and effectively. Using books from grade 6 to grade 11 will enhance from foundation level to the core levels of knowing your techniques and also solving math problems efficiently. Next off we have Advanced Maths by Rakesh Yadav. This is a comprehensive book as it involves a lot of solution. In addition to all the solutions which are given in this book also covers a lot of techniques and varied kind of questions which will eventually let you know the different type of questions which will be involved in your preparation and also the examination patterns as well. Number 3 is Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. The book by R.S. Agarwal carries very key features as it is very comprehensive and conceptual as well. Because of the formulas and the techniques which are involved in this book will give the learner a very varied kind of learning and also it will enhance the skill of solving the math problems easily. It also comes up with different sort of exercises and questions as inbuilt in the textbook which will let the learner know how to solve the math problems in a very easy manner. It is useful for easy and very understandable manner as well. Then Magical Books on Quicker Math by M. Tyra. This book is divided into various sections, or the concepts of the book are divided into sections where the learner can easily access the textbook and also understand thoroughly Number 2, and which is the key feature of this book, is it has a foundational base of math problems where the learner can easily adjustably learn and enhance the preparation as well. As to how, the derivations and the formulas which are included in this textbook will let the learner know how to use that formula and also derive to a solution accurately. The next section we have is General Awareness section. The first book is General Knowledge by Lucent Publication. Using the book from Lucent Publication will enhance the learner's ability to know general awareness and also increase the general knowledge capability. As this book is very conceptual, it covers various kind of subjects like geography, history, economy, Indian polity, etc. All the subjects which are related to general awareness and general knowledge are covered in this particular publications book. Then comes Manorama Yearbook. This is a yearbook where you can access this yearbook in manoramayearbook.in, which is their website. It has the current affairs news which are related to nationally and internationally as well. You can access their mock test as well. You can use this yearbook for your preparation as it will enhance more of your skills because it will give you the knowledge about what is going on around. It will increase your knowledge on current affairs as well. The blogs and the articles which are included in this website will let you know of how to prepare, and also it will enhance to capture more of the knowledge according to the capability that you are reading through. The next stop we have NCERT books from class 10 and 12. Using the NCERT curriculum, as mentioned before, the curriculum itself gives a varied exposure to know the techniques, and also it has varied kind of knowledge which is inbuilt in the textbooks. Class 10 to class 12 has the foundational core subjects, and also all the topics which are included in this particular classes has n number of topics, and also the questions which are included in this will give you an idea of how the examination patterns is also going to be. The books which are included in NCERT will especially give you the guidance of capturing more of the knowledge instead of just going through just blanks or some sort of choose the correct answer. Instead of those, it will give you tons of knowledge and information. The next section is reasoning section. The first off we have Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey. This book serves as study material for all the learners out there because it is informative. It is giving tons of information right from the basics, from the formations, and also from the foundational courses to all the core subjects which are involved. The book covers data sufficiency, analogies, etc., where all the concepts are included under reasoning section. Next up we have A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. The book written by R.S. Agarwal covers the main topic of verbal and non-verbal reasoning because using this book is very conceptual and also comprehensive. The book is divided into segments and the book is guided very well. It will help the learner to know and to access the book easily. As it is divided into different sections, the learner will not be confused as to how to use the textbook and also have an inbuilt preparation while using the textbook. Next we have SSC 10th, 12th books from Arihant Publications. Using these books will help the learner to know varied kind of questions in the first place. As this serves as a study material and a guide to the learner, this will let the learner know as to how to prepare for the questions and solve the questions in the first place. Answering the reasoning questions might be a bit tacky, but the book SSC 10+12 by Arihant Publications is divided into 4 sections where it consists of each of the topics separately. And do remember that the section for essay writing and letter writing are separate, so that the learner can easily understand and access the book very efficiently. There are also practice tests, and this book serves as a complete preparationary guide for the learner. Well, I hope the books and the publications and the yearbook which is mentioned in this video are helpful for you all. Do check this book out when you are preparing for this entrance examination. Also, a kind note for all the viewers out there: every book and every publication or every author which is mentioned in this video We don't have any sort of affiliations or any sort of partnership with them. All the books which are collected and placed together in this video are only for revision purposes and just to give you an idea for all the aspirants out there. If you have any more recommendations of the books, or if you want us to know what are the latest kind of books in the market, you can put it down in the comment section below, which will be useful for the other readers and the other users as well. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below as well. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.